Yes, thank you so much, good people. We have another module, actions and recommendations for agents. Before we begin, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. The subscription button is on your screen, on your bottom right. After subscription, we shall continue with the video. I'll dive straight into the unit. So this unit has only 2 learning objectives. I encourage you to read the learning objectives. We have a video to watch. Please watch this video. It's 2 minutes. We have recommendations, we have notes, we have screenshots. Please read through this. Go to your Trailhead playground so that you familiarize yourself with this. And at the end of this, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. True or false? Salesforce flow for service helps you speed through your casework by providing guided steps and automated actions. This is true. True or false? Salesforce flow for service makes it easier to manage tasks by removing the guesswork. This is also true. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to watch more free Trailhead modules. Until then, bye-bye.